Hello everyone, this is Ms.D. Welcome to Crafts with Ms.D. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying home and washing their hands. Good job doing that. Alrighty, today we are going to be making another simple craft with things that we have at home and to keep our kids entertained. So we are going to be making a shaker craft with some of these bottles that we all have at home. So, or you can make with a pickle jar. It's gonna make a different noise. So you can teach the children how to make different noises with different kind of material. Okay, so today we will be working with both of them. So these are two plastic bottles, and we're gonna just take off the wrapper. Okay, and these are two glass jars that I have saved. So we are gonna be working with both of these. So to decorate these, we can use some Sharpies as well, and we can draw something on these. But let's get going with filling them up. So for today, we are using some rice that we are using to fill these. So it's gonna be making two different kind of noises. And then we're gonna be using some beans that we have at home. Okay, and these you can just use anything that you have at home. We can use some beads as well if you have. Do not worry about what exactly is going into it. It can be anything that you have handy. Okay, so let's start by filling the glass jar with some rice. And you can fill how much ever you would like. The child can fill how much ever they would like. There we go. Just close it up. And for the other one, we are gonna use some of the beans that we have. There we go, a little is there. Alrighty, so the first two are ready. And the tricky part is with the second one. So with this, we are gonna use a spoon to load those in. There we go. And we'll put in just a little more. And we will close that up. The plastic bottle one is ready. And for this, to put the rice, it is kind of tricky. So I just used a little funnel that I had. So we are gonna pour the rice through the funnel. There we go. Alrighty, set that aside. Take this out. Alrighty, we are ready. Kids, are you ready to paint these? Color them. We can color them with anything that you have handy. If you have any paint, or you can just write your name on it. See, I write my name. You can make a heart shape on it, or you can make any other. Make a heart shape, make a smiley face, and you can write your name, Ms.D. Alrighty, here we go. Now it is time to test the noise. Okay, so this is the one with the rice. Let's see. Nice and soft. Here's the beans. That is noisy. And now you can learn how to freeze the 1, 2, 3 freeze. Shake fast. Shake slow. So different activities that we can do with these. Alrighty, let's try how this is. We can barely hear this. So soft. This, the beans. Loud. And show me how you shake fast, shake slow, freeze. Good job. Here we go. Happy crafting. Keep washing your hands. Stay home, stay safe, and watch out for more simple videos from Ms.D. Simple Crafting with Ms.D. Bye-bye.